Hey foodies and home chefs. Waving hand, welcome back to the channel where we make cooking easier, faster, and more fun without breaking the bank. Today we're counting down the top 5 budget kitchen accessories under $20 that are practical, highly rated, and Amazon favorites for 2026. Whether you're setting up your first kitchen, upgrading your tools, or looking for great gift ideas, you'll want to stick around for this list. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the garlic press, one of those under $20 kitchen essentials that instantly upgrades your cooking. If you love the bold, fresh flavor of garlic but hate mincing it by hand, this simple gadget does the hard work for you in a single squeeze. Instead of spending minutes chopping cloves with a knife and then trying to wash sticky bits off your cutting board and hands, a garlic press crushes garlic cleanly and efficiently. No mess, no smell on your fingers, and no uneven pieces. Most affordable presses have sturdy stainless steel construction and wide holes that produce finely minced garlic perfect for sauces, marinades, stir-fries, soups, and dressings. You simply peel the clove, or even press unpeeled cloves in some models, squeeze the handles together, and out comes evenly minced garlic ready to enhance your dish. They're dishwasher safe, easy to grip, and compact, so storage is hassle-free. For anyone who cooks frequently, the garlic press becomes a go-to tool that saves time and preserves that irresistible garlic flavor without the effort. It's one of those small price, big impact gadgets every kitchen should have. Next up is the herb scissors, a clever gadget that's perfect for home cooks who love fresh herbs but dread finely chopping them with a knife. Instead of pulling out a cutting board and chef's knife just to slice a handful of basil, parsley, mint, or cilantro, herb scissors have multiple stainless steel blades built into one pair of handles. With a few snips, you can turn whole stems of herbs into perfectly shredded pieces ready for pasta, salads, soups, or garnishes. The design is intuitive. The blades sit side by side, so each snip creates many cuts at once, dramatically speeding up prep time while giving you uniform results that make your dishes look more professional. These scissors are also excellent for chopping green onions, chives, and other tender herbs that tend to slip around with traditional knife cuts. Many models are dishwasher safe and include a cleaning comb that easily removes stuck herb bits from between the blades. If you love fresh flavors but hate the tedious prep, herb scissors are a small investment with big payoff, especially for everyday cooking and garnish work. Now let's talk about the pineapple corer, a gadget that turns what used to be a labor-intensive task into something fast, neat, and even fun. Fresh pineapple is sweet, juicy, and great in everything from fruit bowls to grilled skewers, but cutting off the tough core and slicing it evenly can be tricky. That's where a pineapple corer comes in. This tool consists of a circular serrated blade attached to a handle. You simply cut off the top of the pineapple, press the corer's blade into the fruit, and twist. In seconds, the corer glides through the flesh, removing the core and leaving you with perfect slices or rings ready to eat. No wrestling with a knife, no guesswork. The design minimizes waste, so you get more juicy fruit and less leftover scraps. Most affordable corers also double as a slicer, making rings ideal for grilling pineapple for tacos, desserts, or cocktails. Cleanup is quick too, just rinse or pop it in the dishwasher. Number 4 on our list is something that might seem simple, but every kitchen needs it: the pizza cutter wheel. Whether you're making homemade pizza, reheating frozen pizza, slicing flatbreads, or cutting quesadillas and pastries, a good pizza cutter makes precise, effortless cuts every time. The key to this gadget is its sharp rotating wheel, which glides smoothly through crusts without tearing toppings or dragging cheese, giving you consistently clean slices. Many budget versions have ergonomic handles with non-slip grips that help you apply steady pressure without straining your wrist. Unlike a dull kitchen knife that can slip and unevenly cut your food, the pizza cutter will keep your slices uniform, great for serving guests or storing leftovers in neat portions. It's dishwasher safe and compact, sliding easily into a drawer when not in use. Best of all, this tool isn't just for last but definitely not least is the digital kitchen scale, a must-have for anyone who cooks or bakes with precision. Recipes that rely on baking or accurate portions benefit enormously from a kitchen scale because measuring by weight is far more consistent than using cups or spoons. A digital kitchen scale displays measurements in grams or ounces on an easy-to-read screen, so you can weigh flour, sugar, meat, produce, and other ingredients with exact accuracy. This is especially helpful for baking breads, cakes, cookies, and pastries, where even small differences in ingredient amounts can affect texture and rise. Many compact models are slim, lightweight, and easy to store, perfect for countertops or drawers in small kitchens. They often feature a tare function, so you can reset the scale to 0 after placing a bowl on it, meaning you don't need to do extra math when adding multiple ingredients. Some budget scales also include auto-off and low battery indicators to save power. If you're serious about consistent results, whether you're meal prepping, baking for friends, or portioning food for nutrition, a digital kitchen scale is one of the most valuable under-$20 tools you can own. All right. That wraps up our top 5 budget kitchen accessories under $20. Shopping cart. These tools prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to make your kitchen more efficient, enjoyable, and stylish. Let me know in the comments below which gadget you'll be grabbing first. And if you've got other budget finds of your own, drop them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up like button, subscribe for more kitchen tips and product roundups, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy cooking!